All right, y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Same position because I'm starting it right now. So yeah, we are about to go get breakfast. We are going to a place called Manin. It's walking distance, so yeah, I'm not getting in an Uber. I'm just going to get breakfast. I'm gonna get breakfast, but I'm not gonna eat it there. I'm gonna bring it back because my phone is on 66%, and I got an iPhone 14, so I have no doubt that it could really last me all day, but I just don't want to leave here without 100%. I do have a charger, but better safe than sorry. So yeah, let me show y'all my outfit. Okay, y'all, so this is my outfit. It's super simple. I'm not even gonna hold you. Scarf from Shein, top from Rainbow. And y'all, I did do my nails yesterday. I lost the nail. Apparently I lost it before I even left here. My voice sounds kind of groggy. Jeans, Fashion Nova. I have on this Gucci belt from DHgate. My shoes, same shoes. That's what you need to do. So tip for going out of town, especially as a woman, pick one pair of shoes that you can wear every day. And this is for like carry-on stuff. And put multiple outfits with the shoes. Makes it so much easier. Now I'm finna wear my brown coat, and that's another thing. Especially in the winter time, put your coat with all your outfits, okay? So I have different color schemes, so it really looks like different outfits, but it's basically, they basically the same thing. And keep your outfits simple. So yeah, I'm about to head out. I need to put my purse together because of course I had to put some things in my purse last night, and I wore a different bag. Let me see. It's the bag I wore last night. If y'all wondering where this bag from, I want to say from Shein, but I feel like that is like a really big lie. I honestly don't remember where it's from. Oh yeah, I gotta put on some perfume. Y'all, back to what I said about, I know you're not supposed to rub it, so I dabbed it. But back to what I said about people in DC. Like, you are, hold on, cat. You are going to meet so many people in DC, like, oh hell. You are going to meet so many people in DC. Everybody got good hospitality, like, for real, everybody's respectful. DC just been, it's been decent. Like, I can't complain. Can't say, I mean, at this point, I probably can say eventually I'll come back. But, you know, we got to hit up the other places before I even think about coming back here. We got other things to do. I like to do my bag, you know. I really want to show off my bag. I like to do it inside out when I'm out of town because I don't want to look like a Target. I like to be fashionable, be cute, but I don't want to look crazy or like a Target. Oh, phone is right there, so I'll put my coat on. Oh, and don't worry about my lashes, y'all. I'm gonna put my lashes back on when I come back. Hey y'all, I'm back, refreshed, feeling better. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't do anything today. I couldn't do it. Like, my head was hurting and I was just tired, energy gone. So when I go out of town going forward, I will do the nightlife, but I will not indulge in anything but wine, if that. So yeah, since I didn't do anything during the day, I'm like, I can't just not do nothing today. We don't have time to, you know, just be wasteful. So with that being said, we are going out. We are still going to see the monuments because we are going on a night tour. Yay. So actually, people say doing a night tour is like a good, like basically a good idea, because the monuments will be like lit up at night, of course. So yeah, the tour starts at 7:30. It is now, I want to say like 6:30, so I still have a little bit of time. It's going to be on a tour bus, so it's like they drive around different places. Certain places we'll get off the bus, take our pictures, you know, get the information on everything, and then it won't end until 10:30. So it's a 3-hour tour, so we have plenty of time. I'm still gonna get some good content for today. So yeah, I'm really excited, and at some point I'm trying to figure it out because like I said, the tour ends at 10:30. I haven't ate today. Well, no, I lied. I ate that sandwich, but like I'm definitely gonna be hungry afterwards, probably, more than likely. But I mean, I don't think this hotel serves dinner, so I would have to find something that's 24 hours. I know it's like different food trucks that be posted like by the museums and stuff, so maybe I'll try a food truck, which I'm not against. I like to experience everything. So maybe we'll try a food truck. If not, we gonna have to find something. We're gonna have to find something. So yeah, like I said, it's pretty early. They said the tour starts at 7:30. The bus doesn't get there until 15 minutes before. My plan is I want to get there like 7. But like I'm almost sure where the bus is going to be is like a park. So I would just kind of be sitting there, and it's dark outside. I don't like that. But I want to make sure I get a good seat on the bus. So yeah, I'll probably leave. Actually, I probably need to, yeah, I'm gonna try to leave out in enough time to get me there at 7. Yeah, outfit. I have on the same outfit from earlier, and I'm gonna wear my Bulls hat. Oh, I'm gonna bring my Bulls hat, but I'm not gonna wear it because when I take pictures, I don't want the Bulls hat. I want it to be like me, basically. But yeah, the tour, since we're gonna be outside, it's a little colder now. It's like 40 degrees, so I want to be warm. I wanted to wear my green sweater that I had. My green, what is that scarf that I had on earlier, but I just feel like it's not as thick. It's not as thick as my black one, so I just want to, you know, be as warm as possible. So yeah, oh, look at that, my light is done charging. Look at that. I charged my camera, so we got a full battery. I don't have to worry about my camera dying. And I just charged my light so that way I can have some good lighting when I do my pictures or videos or whatever. So my bag is already packed. I'm bringing this tripod so I could take pictures. Obviously the tour guide, why it's not focusing? Obviously the tour guide, I'm sure they'll be more than willing to take my pictures, especially since I'm gonna be by myself. But I'm gonna still bring that just in case. Just in case. So yeah, I'm about to put my shoes on. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 6:35 p.m.
6:35. And I'm almost sure the place is like 20 minutes away. Plus DC does have traffic. I'm not gonna lie, DC got some traffic on them. So yeah, I'm about to
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Okay. So yeah, I'm about to throw my little stuff, my chargers, back into my purse because I did also go ahead and pack up my suitcase. So tomorrow, all I gotta do is, really, I can throw my makeup bag in there tonight too. So yeah, tomorrow all I gotta do is throw my outfit on. And yeah, I'll be on my way. My plane leave at like 9. I think I get home at like 11. Definitely gonna sleep on the plane because that's what I do. But yeah, I'm gonna put y'all down so I can organize this room and then we heading out.
But I was like, just always asking, give me 2 blankets.
The rotunda and the crypt. The crypt was built for the piece of the stage where President Obama stood to be sworn in. I was able to get President Obama to ceremonies take place in the Capitol. The rotunda is where we have a ceremony called Lying in State. Lying in State is the highest honor that anyone can receive. Let us. Well, she made a phone call here to Washington, D.C., and the next day, the Tuskegee Airmen, also known as the Red Tails, received orders to escort bomber planes. Never Center of Performing Arts. This is where they had the Kennedy Center honors take place. This year they honored soldiers are missing, dead, captured, and wounded. All right, we're going to walk in this direction. If you look over to your right, you are going. No, they just simply put 58 steps there. Everything is done with a purpose here on the National Mall. Everything is well stored out. her color. So Eleanor Roosevelt arranged for her to perform here on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial Easter Sunday 1939, and over 80,000 people showed up for her performance. Okay? Also, you'll see a young picture of Bernie Sanders when he was a young man, when he was out here protesting against the Vietnam War. You may hear some creaks and cracking, you know.
Alright, y'all, since I'm in the elevator by myself right now, we're at the Lincoln Memorial. I do like the tour. I'm getting a lot of information, and luckily, I feel like, because my tour guide is black, he's mentioning a lot of black or African American significance on the tour. So yeah.
All right, so bus 400, we're going to cross over the counter from 1959 to 1967.
Hey y'all, so I'm back in the room, obviously. I really enjoyed the tour. I will say, first of all, super informative. Can't complain about that. Like, I definitely feel like it was worth the money. Tour guide was awesome. So I booked it on Viator, in case y'all are wondering. And they have like, I mean, if you don't know what Viator is, they just do like tours. It's like, or maybe, yeah, I guess it's a tour booking app or website. So yeah, really enjoyed the tour. I do feel like, especially for the sake of the vlog, some things would have been better to see during the daytime, especially for like light quality. But anyway, yeah, super enjoyed the tour. I did go to Yard House before I came back. I think I went to Yard House in Vegas. I wanted to try something new, but y'all, like I said, the tour ended at 10:30, so I had to find something. I think Yard House doesn't close until 12 or 2. So yeah, and I ended up getting exactly the same thing I got in Vegas. Only thing I wish, if I did sit down, they have a lavender martini. It's so good. If I could figure out how to make that without the vodka, we're gonna be winning. So yeah, y'all, I want to say that is it for the vlog, because I know I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow going home. But yeah, my flight is at like 9 something. I get home at like 11 something. Don't have any plans for tomorrow. If anything, I'm just gonna stay home and sleep. I think I'm on my floor, but that's besides the point. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. We still doing Vlogmas. So at this point, I want to say like my vlogs are going to be like 2 days in advance. But as long as I'm putting out the content, I'm happy. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. I don't know where I will be traveling to next. I know where I want to go, but I don't know if I'm going to make it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.